mentioned here, even Adiyan also have one connection with Swami Tirupanazhvar. There are so many connections. One is I also from Srirangam, Thiruvarangam Variperumal Lotus Feed. I also came from there. So I born and brought up in Srirangam. And while starting the Divya Prabandham Santa, everybody will start from Tirupallandu. Right? They will start the classes from Tirupallandu. But my Acharyan taught me first Amarnathipuram. My Tirupal Divya Prabandham journey starts from Tirupalnadu's Amarnathipuram. So he is also very special to me. Nampanan, I also always say that Nampanan, I also, Adiyan also have that, what we say, that special connection with Tirupanazhvar.